Enjoy the view of this 2015 Jeep Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. The Cherokee has your back on all your adventures. Its generous cargo capacity, safety technology, off-road capability, and passenger-friendly interior infuse each journey with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, heated mirrors, backup camera, fog lamps, power driver's seat, aluminum wheels. Feel relaxed and confident when you set out for adventure in the Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.